Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Vijay Bade, occupational health consultant. I am certifying surgeon for industry for Pune, Ahmednagar, and Aurangabad. So today we will discuss about non-communicable disease profile in worker of automobile industry in Maharashtra. It will be a cross-sectional study. Background of study: the global burden and threat of non-communicable disease constitutes serious public health challenge. Non-communicable disease can impede workforce productivity by elevating rate of absenteeism, diminishing energy and energy of workers, and depleting critical workplace skills. I will like to inform you that we used to run occupational health centers in this manufacturing industry. So we used to do our daily factory medical officer is working and screening their basic parameters. In this methodology, the cross-sectional study was conducted among 71 employees of automobile industry in Maharashtra from August 22 to September 22. 71 participants were included in the study after obtaining written informed consent. Data regarding age, type of work on which shop floor they are working, and year of experience was collected. General examination like anthropometry, height, weight, body mass index we have done. We have done blood investigation as per Factory Act, like complete blood count, ESR, then blood sugar level, cholesterol, lipid profile, as well as we have done pulmonary function test and audiometry of these workers by our trained healthcare workers of Vignartha Sai Hospital. The data was entered in MS Excel 2010 and analyzed using IBM software. Frequency percentage and proportion were calculated. Data was presented in tabular and graphical format. Chi-square test was used as a test of significance. Result of my study: out of 71 participants, 11.26 employees were diabetic, 19.7 were hypertensive, 8.4% were obese, 52.1% had high total cholesterol, HDL ratio. Age of employee was found to be significantly associated with diabetic status and high total cholesterol, HDL ratio. It is old organization, so we have some employees are working since more than 25 years. So conclusion of my study: even though the prevalence of diabetes, hypertension, and obesity in the employee is below national average, health worker effect cannot be ruled out. Proportion of employee with hypercholesterolemia, those in pre-disease stage, example pre-diabetic, pre-hypertensive, and overweight, is concerning. My OSC team has started their doing exercise like yoga and some Zumba-like activity. We have started, and we have done their screening for diabetes also. And we used to do their pulmonary function test every 6 monthly, those who are working in hazardous area. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Vijay, for finishing well before time. And may we have a question, please? Yeah.
Is there any age-wise distributions of this non-communicable disease? Have you done for the relevant duties, lifestyle factors like the
We have done according to age. We have done test up to 45 years, 45 to 50 and 50 and above. Up to 45 years, we have done cholesterol, lipid profile, kidney function test. 45 plus, we have added stress test and USG abdomen. And 50 plus, we have done CT scan. We have added if required. And we have screened for diabetic retinopathy, We have done screening for diabetic retinopathy.
Your recommendations of the study does not match with the finding of your study, and I do not find the newness in your study. I think this is just part of the surveillance, medical surveillance going on with the industry as a welfare measure for the workers. It is just an extract from that. As such, I do not find anything new in your study.
Madam, I want to say only that we are running wellness center. Our any national that data is not crossing our national prevalence of diabetes or national prevalence of hypertension. Yes.
So in that case, we need to be appreciated for the Zumba and classes and the yoga classes and the wellness centers.
Yeah, even they have appreciated my work in their annual social gathering that obesity is little bit controlled.
The title of the study could be modified in that manner if you want to bring out this as a.
Yeah, next time we will add your suggestions.
Yeah.
Because as we are in manufacturing industries, we have limitations to do. Productivity is the main issue. Yeah,
Yes.
please.
Any of the mechanical aspect of chemicals which were used in the automobile industry regarding LCD, that was thought of, or after this, any modifications that were done in the canteen?
We have done modification in canteen because previously they used to eat oily foods and because everywhere there is association is there, employees association is there. They are more conscious about oil. Sugar free, those it is alternative option is available. You can add your sugar.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Dr.
thank you
Vijay. We can
everybody.